In this video, I'm going to be creating a template for my amp rack, my custom amp rack, which is going to be mounted up right there. So I first created this and just kind of mocked it up. I kind of drew on where I might want the amplifiers. I'm not sure yet, but when you see it, if I put it in, it's not an exact fit. It's close, but I think I'm going to go in with a more precision measurement and see how close I can get and create a template for it that I can then transfer onto some wood. I'm just gonna use this old box here and first trace it and then kind of do my adjustments. I have the shape lightly traced now, but what I think I'm gonna do is just set this in there and kind of freeform all the other shapes and try to come up with a design that will fit it better. For example, around that curve, there's a little area in there. I want it to sit almost flush, but also keeping in mind that behind this there's going to be wiring, so I'll leave some space, not pushed right up against the back of it. Alright, so now I think I have my new, more exact shape. Next, just take a box cutter, finish this back one. So here is first copy to second copy, a little more details in this one, and that we'll see how this fits in the car. Alright, it's now in the car, and it definitely does look a lot cleaner. The only thing is there's still a little bit of room there, but you almost need that with these here. That angle's cut perfectly. This round over, I mean, that's pretty good once it's up tight. There's no real gaps. Top has good clearance. Side here, cardboard's folding over a little bit. And that's how you make a template. Now in the future, I am gonna be making this out of wood, carpeting it, and mounting my 4-channel and bass amp on here. There will be videos on that, of course, so stay tuned.